Woody and Buzz are putting blocks together. Help them complete the words with the right blocks. Choose the block to make sheriff. You spelled sheriff. Phone. You spelled phone. Chair. You spelled chair. Andy's coming. Help Woody put everything back. Choose the blocks that make the f sound. Tap the correct letters to tap the correct letter. P and H make the f sound. Choose the blocks that make the ch sound. C and H make the ch sound. Choose the letter blocks that make the sh sound. Tap the correct letters to make the sound. S and H make the sh sound. Quick! Woody, Buzz, and Ham must get back to their places before Andy arrives. Woody sleeps on the bed. Woody sleeps on the bed. Buzz stands next to his rocket. Ham stands behind the table. Amazing! Woody, Buzz, and Ham are back in their places. Phew! Great work! You helped the toys just in time.